Hey guys, Rhett here. What is going on at my client Eric and Jenny's Section 8 rental property, guys? We did a video of this one, posted it on the channel recently. I have the original video in the description below. We are about 98% done with this one. Just need some final touch-ups and final punch lists, a little bit of paint touch-up, and some small things to get this one through the finish line and up on market. Now, I'm so thrilled for Eric and Jenny. They've done right now they're averaging about one property every 2 months. This property here was a 3-bedroom house. We're turning it into a 5-bedroom. It is now a 5. So I want to walk you through it, talk a little bit about it. As you can tell, if you haven't seen the original, please watch that one first. You'll see what the transformation looked like here. This rehab project took us about 4 weeks. So we are flying through these projects. We can fly through these. It's not like other parts of the country, guys, where we have our teams. We're able to get things done unbelievably fast, get tenants in them very quickly, and get your money working for you. If you want to do this, you want to use me, we're going to do the whole thing together, you and I. If you want to use my teams, send me an email in the description below. We will do it, and we'll do it right. So, guys, I want to walk you through it a little bit. If you can recall, all this was being framed in that initial video that you watched. Now, it is a bedroom. So it's amazing how things can change. Of course, brand new, beautiful LVP throughout the entire house. And you walk in here, and now we have our bedroom. Now, we actually left this window unit in here because it's just kicking butt. It's nice and cool. Now, of course, we have an HVAC system, but this is really nice for the guys when they're working up here. We kept it cranking, so we'll take it out. We haven't gotten it out yet, but it's on and it's keeping this room nice and cool. So, guys, built a closet right here. So now we have a legal bedroom upstairs, and this was just part of the living room. It's just amazing how you take a part of a room that otherwise was what? I mean, maybe a couch here. What's the difference between having a couch here and having a couch on the other side of this wall? This was just dead space. And when you walk through these houses, you have to be creative, otherwise it's going to cost you money. And when our contractors come in here, they see where the walls are, where the load-bearing walls are, where we can put headers, where we have to avoid putting headers, where we have to put rooms structurally, where they're going to flow, where they're going to make sense. And then, of course, we talk it with clients, and we kind of talk it out and find out what the best use case for the property is. So 5-bedroom, this is going to rent for at least $1,400 a month. Unbelievable, great area, beautiful street. So let's keep walking, guys. We get back in the living room, and if you'll notice, the living room here is big. I mean, this is a big living room. This honestly could have been a 6-bedroom house. We could have made this a 6-bedroom house. Absolutely no problem, no questions asked. We could have turned this giant living room into 2 bedrooms, done a little hallway right here, done a bedroom where you're standing right now, and then a bedroom behind you. Basically, if we just came up with this wall right here, you're now in bedroom number 1, and that would be bedroom number 2, but 5 bedrooms is enough. So we walk through the living room into a big den area, another sitting room, which is really, really nice. Off to one side, we have bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2, again, turned out really, really nice. You got a lot next to you, which will be trimmed down and will be a nice little place too, so you don't have people right on top of you, which is nice. Bedroom number 2 in here, good sized rooms, really, really good sized rooms. Then we come into the kitchen. So we have kind of like a breakfast bar, counter style. You can put a really formal kitchen table in that sitting room. You can put a table over here. Now, this was a window that is about 8.5 weeks on back order. So what we ended up deciding to do, we have a really nice window with plenty of natural light in here anyway. So what we decided to do was just kind of blank out that window. That's going to be painted later on today to match this wall, so you won't even be able to tell. Really, really nice, guys. A ton of space. We'll put our stove right here. We'll put our refrigerator right there or right there. And you have a gigantic food prep area, ton of storage, a ton of cabinets. You have cabinets on the back side of the breakfast bar as well. So really, really nice. And you don't really see, guys, houses like this that are this large. And when they are this large, we scoop them up quick. Because not only can they rent for $1,400, $1,500 a month, But the actual value add in terms of ARV and what we can get out of them. Now, Eric and Jenny, they do a lot of cash out refinance, they buy a lot of properties in cash, do a lot of really, really valuable rehabs to them. And then what they do is they pull their equity out and bring it into the next project. So let's walk through our den. We now get into one of the main living hallways, okay? We have a full bathroom right in front of us right here. We have bedroom number 3 off to the right with a lot of natural light here. Very, very nice here as well. So bedroom number 3. And then through bedroom number 3, we have storage closets, linen closets, and at the end of the hall, things like this will get fixed, of course. At the end of the hall, we have bedroom number 4. Now, bedroom number 4, the bifold doors were on delay as well. We have those. Those are actually downstairs, which is nice. We have vines growing all over the house that need to be taken down, things like that. It's kind of the last thing that we'll do is we'll go through part of our punch list. And then off of this, so this is our master, guys. We have a really, really nice half bath in here. So really, really nice, brand new toilet, new vanity, and really nice off of this bedroom. So you've got your closet, you've got your bedroom, you're isolated from the rest of the house. You share a wall with the kitchen, so you have no other bedroom near you. You have your half bath here, you've got linen closets and your full bath on this side of the hallway as well. So you're nice and secluded, you're separated from the rest of the house. It's a really, really nice place for the parents or the mom or the dad, whoever lives in this house, moves in with their kids or family, to live where it's quiet, tons of natural light, a lot of windows. So that's 4. Now, that's gonna do it for upstairs, okay? As we walk downstairs, if you guys recall, we were planning on putting a bedroom down here. So we're gonna go down here. And one thing you'll notice is now a wall to your right. And bedroom number 5. Now, bedroom number 5, we built this. We built a closet down here as well, walled this entire thing off, looks fantastic. Now we have a light, we have our point of egress, new windows going in here tomorrow morning. There will be a small ladder that goes right here in case somebody that is younger that can't reach this. So in case of fire, of course, for every bedroom you need two egresses. If somebody can't get up to this window, there will be a little emergency ladder right here that they can crawl up, push that thing over, and get out. So as long as you are safely providing multiple egress from a room, you're fine. This down here will be really, really nice. It's gonna stay super, super cool in the winter, in the summer, and it's gonna stay warmer in the winter. So the reason why, you have stone on all of your sides. Now, of course, this is all drywall, but you're in the lower section of the home. So it's private, nice room for maybe a teenager to be able to get away, and you have your privacy down here. So you have everything you need, and believe it or not, you still have, just through that little window, a good amount of natural light. So, and it's a little overcast day today. So really nice, and this is all about value add. Finding properties. And you can see in that older video, this house was a piece of crap. But when we walk through it, we see the potential and what it can be. And if you guys are on this channel right now, you understand that we can take a home that otherwise might be not so great and turn it into something amazing. So guys, super, super happy for Eric and Jenny. You guys can do this too. You can repeat this. If you want to work with me and my team, send me an email in the description below and we'll get you started. See you next time.